how to change your payment card on the App Store. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment card on the App Store. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the very top, you'll see your Apple ID name and profile picture. Tap on that to open your Apple account settings. From here, look for the option that says Payment and Shipping. When you tap on it, your iPhone may ask you to confirm your identity with your Apple ID password, Face ID, or Touch ID. This is just a quick security check to make sure it's really you making the changes. Now you'll see a list of all the payment methods currently linked to your Apple ID. These are the cards Apple uses for App Store, iTunes, and subscription payments. If you want to add a new card, just tap Add Payment Method. You can either type in the details manually, like the card number, expiration date, and security code, or you can use your iPhone's camera to quickly scan the card. Apple will automatically fill in the details for you, which saves a lot of time. Once the new card is added, you'll want to make sure it's set as your default payment method. To do that, simply drag it to the top of the list or select it as the primary card. From now on, all your purchases, whether it's apps, subscriptions, or in-app purchases, will automatically get billed to that card. And that's it. That's how you change your payment card on the App Store in just a few steps. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.